There guys, there you can see, never disappoint with the ST cam and our CNC heads. As you can see over here, we've gone to our new revised as well. It has the polished finish. That's our V3 in a little bit. So yeah, makes awesome power, perfectly tuned and executed, and yeah, has all the numbers that you'd want to see. So yeah, plenty of torque, gets everything done. So yeah, yeah, pretty happy with the result. So guys, if you've got one of these, perfect combination. This is pretty much the best cam available without a stall, combination with our CNC heads. We private label our heads as well if people didn't realise. So yeah, guys, if you're interested, give us a call. Workshops or customers, we can get your VF pumping.